Alright guys, I'm going to build a jig today so we can build my frame for the low tunnels. We're expecting a freeze coming next week, and I'm going to try to get some low tunnels up over some of the crops that I want to try to save. Then I'm going to do it all throughout the garden because it's going to help me with early planting this spring and maybe extend my season all the way through winter. I know that I want my diameter of my beds are going to be 4 foot. I'm going to make my low tunnels 5 foot. So what I did is I found a point and I lined it up with with my 2x4s at the bottom that are actually part of the barn. I got it set up at 30 inches, so that's going to give me a 5 foot diameter. It's going to give me 6 inches on each side of my 4 foot bed. I traced around my diameter and marked it, and now I'm going to put in the jig. Give me a second, I'll show you that when I'm done. Alright guys, see here, like I said, I measured it out. My radius is going to be 2.5 foot. This is going to be my circle. What's going to happen when I get up to the top is I'm going to have some left over. So it's going to be a half circle and then some legs. That means I have to start from center point here every time. So I measured one center and went ahead up and set a jig here that I just come to it, bend up. After I do the first one, I may or may not make another jig so that I know where the curve hits exactly, so that I can place it as well to do the next bend. So here we go. This is going to be the first try on it. Let's see how it works out. Plugged up to that side. And one of the reasons I decided to go from the top so that I'm bending up instead of bending down is because I figured when I got up here to the top, I was going to want to put a lever arm on it. If I was going downward, that would have never happened because my lever arm would have buried into the ground. So that's one of the reasons that I did it upwards. This right here is going to be the hard bend on it. And I actually left these guys like this so that I could adjust them. And once I get it bending just the way that I want it to, I'll go ahead and put that second screw in to set it. Alright. Well, there you go, guys. I'm going to start working on the next portion of it, and when I get it right, that's what we'll do.
It's recording.
It's recording. It's recording now?